If you've been wondering about the AI content Vitaminizer by Buddler AI, you're in the right place. In this review, I'll break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this cutting-edge AI software. Stick around to find out if it's the right tool for you, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First off, this software is all about enhancing your content creation process. If you're a digital marketer, business owner, or creator, it offers a powerful way to optimize and amplify your content's effectiveness. Think of it as the multivitamin for your content. You've got blogs, social media posts, and even email marketing campaigns that need to hit the right note. AI Content Vitaminizer helps you do just that, making your content healthier and more engaging with less effort. Now here's why this software is getting so much attention. It's newly released and has already started to create waves in the digital marketing world. What makes it stand out is the range of features that cater specifically to content creators and marketers. For example, it's packed with tools for SEO optimization, keyword analysis, and readability improvements. This means your content is not only going to rank better, but also be much more compelling to your audience. But the real kicker here is the automation. It streamlines the entire content creation process. With just a few clicks, you can create high-quality content that's optimized for both search engines and your audience's needs. This is a game changer, especially for anyone struggling to keep up with the constant demand for fresh and engaging content. If you're wondering how it works, it's simple. You input your content and let the AI take over. It will analyze it, suggest changes, and even rephrase sections to make it more readable and SEO friendly. It's like having a professional editor and SEO expert all in one tool. Let's talk about customization. One of the coolest aspects of AI Content Vitaminizer is that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It adapts to different content styles. So whether you're writing blog posts, email newsletters, or social media content, it tailors its suggestions accordingly. This personalized approach gives you the freedom to experiment with different formats without sacrificing quality. Another huge plus is the user interface. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech expert. You don't need a steep learning curve to start producing better content right away. It's designed to save you time while boosting your productivity. You might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how much does it cost? Well, here's the best part. You can try this software for free from the first link below. That's right. You can test out all the features and see for yourself how it improves your content creation process without paying a dime. This is an amazing opportunity to dive in and experience what AI Content Vitaminizer can really do for your business or personal projects. And just before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI software options in the description. After trying thousands of different tools, these are the ones I trust and recommend. I only bring you the best, and I've made sure to include links to free trials for you to explore. So if you want to enhance your content creation and maximize your digital marketing results, AI Content Vitaminizer by Buddler AI is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to grab your free trial from the link below and start making your content work harder for you today.